Hello, welcome again. Today, we'll show you quickly how to use a VLOOKUP, how to create a formula to, to do your VLOOKUP function. So what VLOOKUP does is VLOOKUP looks for the name or name of a company or name of anything, a customer or anything you want into another range and pick up values for each one of them from that another table. So here, this is your working table where you want to know the industry, for example, of Alphabet Inc. This is maybe seemingly very easy work because it has only eight eight data point. But when you have like thousands of data in practical life, you will have that kind of data there. It's not going to be easy for you to type in each one of them. So in that case, VLOOKUP is very helpful. It will automatically do it in seconds once you have the formula. So let's do it. So this is your source file. It can be in the same sheet or it can be in another sheet, um, another tab in the Excel or another Excel file. Either way, it'll be same VLOOKUP function that will grab the data for you. So let's try to write on the VLOOKUP formula. So first, put your cursor on the target cell and then type in equal sign and start typing VLOOKUP, which is VLOOKUP. You can type in the entire. What I do is once I see this, I click on this, double click on this, and it writes it down automatically. Now, first you need to enter the lookup value. So lookup value, you have several things. So you have to enter lookup value, table array, then column index number, and range lookup. I'll show you each one of them. I'll explain you each one of them. So let's enter lookup value. So what we are trying to look up? We are trying to look up Alphabet Inc. So how you select is you can either type A3, which is like this, or you can just click on the cell, the value you are looking for. Great, it selects A3. Then put your comma and then table array. Table array is the table where you are going to pick up the values. So my table array is this table. So make sure the field you are looking for is the leftmost field in the range you are going to select. So in this case, I'm going to select from here to here. Make sure your left table in the range is the same field as the lookup field in your table you are working on. So now you have this range F2 to G22 automatically done here. Now the next thing I do is I always click F4 to quickly make my ranges fixed, or you can do this. You can enter dollar before each one of the letter and number like this. So what it does is it will keep the selection range fixed when you copy this formula into other cells. Okay, now next one, column index number. Column index number is the position of the column that you are looking for. For example, we are looking for industry for each one of these companies. So industry in my selection range, industry is column number 2. So you need to know the column number. So column number 1 is the stock name. Column number 2 is industry. So type 2 there. Just enter 2 there. Then put comma again. Now it asking for range lookup. So range lookup can be either true or false. True means approximate match. False means exact match. So we are looking for exact match. We are not looking for approximate match. Um, we'll explain approximate match another day. Let's just do exact match today. So you can double click on false okay, or type in false, then close your bracket. Now click enter. See, choose Alphabet Inc. Software and IT Service. Alphabet Inc. Software and IT Service. Let's just make it a little bit wider so we can see everything. Now you have your formula. You can copy your formula or you can write the formula for every cell. That be time consuming. So what I do is I click there, I hold here and drag it down. All right. One thing you see is for Coinbase, it shows NA, number NA. That means it is having an error, which means the Coinbase does not have an industry. The Coinbase was not in my lookup range. So if you later update this, Coinbase Global here, Inc. X NAS colon AMZ, sorry, COIN, enter, and then put some industry here. What says maybe what do I say? Um, blockchain. Now you just need to do one more thing is your range reference was not selecting this last row. So what you want to do is go there, click on the cell, click on the formula bar and find table array. Okay, and make it a little bit longer, just like that. And click enter. Oops, it's not still showing that. So let's just copy this because it's looking for exact match. So it's not finding exact match with this house icon. So I'll copy that value here, paste. Now see, this one is updated. So that's how you do VLOOKUP. Very easy, very functioning. If you have 2000 rows or 10,000 rows, then you just type in formula once and you can drag it down, or another way is to just to double click on the corner. It will fill in. Thank you. Hopefully it was helpful. Have a nice day.